Hello guys, welcome to Consumer channel. Today I am going to explain 9th class 2nd chapter polynomials and factorization. Exercise 2.2. So going to third bit, verify whether the values of a x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So given that first one is p of x is equals to 2x plus 1 comma they are given x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Going to solve p right as it is p of, so they in the question they given x is equals to minus 1 by 2, so in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1 by 2, so we have to write here minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 right as it is. So here see here x, so in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So p of minus 1 by 2 right as it is equal to, see here 2 ones are 2 ones are, see here minus 1 is remain plus 1. So p of minus 1 by 2 right as it is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Cancel here minus 1 plus 1. So remain 0. Right here 0. P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So it is a 0 of the polynomial. It is a 0 of a polynomial. So in this question, after substitute x value, we get the solution equal to 0. If we get 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, if it get different value, so it is not a 0 of the polynomial. So going to next question, fourth one, p of x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 2 comma x is equals to minus 1 comma minus 2. Solution p right as it is. So here given the x is equals to minus 1 and minus 2. First we have to substitute x is equals to minus 1. So in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1. We have to write here minus 1 equal to, so see here x is there. So in the place of x we have to substitute minus 1. Write minus 1 as it is into, see here x. So we have to substitute in the x place minus 1 plus 2. So we have to write p of minus 1 as it is equal to minus 1 is minus 2. So we have to write here minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So we have to write here 1. P of minus 1 equal to, plus into minus is minus, 2 ones are 2. So p of minus 1 equal to minus 2. So when we substitute x is equals to minus 1 in this polynomial, the value we not got 0. So it is not a 0 of a polynomial. So it is not 0 of a polynomial. So x is equals to minus 2. This minus 2 is same like that minus 1. So right here p as it is, we have to substitute minus 2 in the place of x. So we have to write here minus 2 equal to, see here x term is there. So in the place of x we have to substitute minus 2. Right here minus 2 minus 1 as it is into, so in the place of x we have to substitute minus 2. Here we have to write minus 2 plus right as it is and 2 right as it is. Then p of minus 2 right as it is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. We have to write here minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. We have to write here 0. So p of minus 2 equal to, anything into 0 equal to 0. So we have to write here 0. P of minus 2 equal to 0. When we substitute x is equals to minus 2 in this polynomial, we got the value 0. So it is a 0 of a polynomial. So we going to next question. Eighth one. F of x is equals to 2x minus 1 comma x values they are given. X is equals to 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. First x is equals to 1 by 2. In the polynomial x is equals to, we have to substitute x value is 1 by 2. So write here f as it is. See here x is there. So in the place of x we have to substitute 1 by 2. So we have to substitute here 1 by 2 equal to 2. 2 write it as it is. See here x term is there. Now see. So x is equals to 1 by 2. We have to substitute in the x place 1 by 2. Right here 1 by 2 minus 1 right as it is. So f of 1 by 2 right as it is. F of 1 by 2 equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay, cancel. So remaining is 1 minus 1. So we have to write here. I am writing here. See f of 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. When we substitute x is equals to 1 by 2 in the polynomial, we got the value is equals to 0. So it is a 0 of a polynomial. So next we have to find x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Solution. Write f as it is. So we have to substitute x is equals to minus 1 by 2. See here x is there. So we have to substitute minus 1 by 2. Write here minus 1 by 2 equal to, write 2 as it is. See here x is there. So x value is minus 1 by 2. So we have to substitute minus 1 by 2. Write minus 1 as it is. So write f of minus 1 by 2 as it is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are, get cancel. Remaining is minus 1 minus 1. So I am writing here f of minus 1 by 2 as it is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Right here minus 2. When we substitute x is equals to minus 1 by 2 in this polynomial, we not got the 0. So it is not a 0 of a polynomial. So it is not a 0 of a polynomial. So going to next question, fourth one. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First one, f of x is equals to x plus 2. What they ask? Find the 0 of the polynomial. So we have to write here solution. F of x equal to x plus 2. They ask you to find the 0 of the polynomial. So we equate the polynomial with 0. Then we have to write here x plus 2 equal to 0. Then the plus 2 transfer to right side. See here plus 2. X is equals to, the plus 2 becomes minus 2 at right side. So we have to write here minus 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. Third one, f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. So we have to write f of x. Solution. Write f of x as it is equal to, write 2x plus 3 also as it is. They asked in the question, find the 0 of the polynomial. So we have to equate the polynomial with 0. So next we have to write 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So the constant term we have to take to right side. The plus 3 becomes minus 3. First we have to write 2x as it is equal to, see here plus 3 is there. So we have to transfer to right side, it becomes minus 3. Right here minus 3. Then x is equals to minus 3. The 2 is in multiplication. So we have to transfer to right side, it becomes division 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of a given polynomial.